Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I have a project share, so one of the ladies that lives in my neighborhood asked for my help, and so she wanted me to show her how to make an album. So we made one together, and I showed her how to score and glue paper, but yeah, so it is for her uh, great granddaughter. It's a baby album, and what was so neat was she had a tablecloth, and the tablecloth she cut up and we put it on the album. And she has two elephants and two clowns, and so we used one elephant, and the paper I had happened to have elephants. So it's a baby album. So here is this, and see the elephants. So it is 8 by 8, and the spine I think is 4. Yeah, and it is 12 pages. Well, front and back, so it's 6 pages, but it's for maternity page, then the 12 months, and then a birthday. So let's look inside. Let me tell you that the paper was Echo Park, and this is what the paper is. And I actually found it at Hobby Lobby for $2.50 per pack, and I had bought in 2 packs, so we were lucky that it all just worked out within a week of me buying it and then using it. And so, and this is the stickers that she used, and this is the leftover stickers that that we have. So, like if there's a baby shower, I was thinking when I laid this out and made it and everything, the baby shower or whatever she wants, and there's flaps. And then the first month, and I had these from another paper line, but they match perfectly. So we made tuck spots first month, and then a flap, and then there's a tuck spot, and you could fit quite a bit of pictures. And then each one of them, let's turn it, this is month 2, month 3, and each one of the pages has a pullout for more photos. And I made this lip right here so that she knew it was a pullout. So I made a pocket here, and then another tuck spot here, and she decorated it what she wanted, and then a flap that opens. So month 4 and 5, here's the pullout for this page. This opens this way, this opens this way, and of course there is a pocket there. And then here's 6 and 7, and then here's your pullouts. And then when you pull it out, then you have flap, 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 flap. So there's a lot of room for a lot of pictures. And tuck spot underneath the 6 and 7. And number 8, a tuck spot and a flap and a pocket. And then number 9 has a tuck spot and a flap. Number 10, there's the pull out, there's the tuck spot, and there's the flap. Number 11 is a pocket. And then number 12, the pull out and the tuck spot and flap. And then this is for first birthday or extra pictures. So that's how I designed it. And so hopefully they will love it. And how could you not when this is a gift from a grandmother, and this was great great grandmother's tablecloth, so I think it's just too cute. But I said to myself, we have extra paper, and so look what I made for a little brag book to put in your purse. Cute as a button, and then put little buttons, and then I tried to kind of match it somewhat. So let's look at this real quick. This is a 4x6, and I made a couple of tuck spots, and then pictures, and a tuck spot. I am going to put some pullouts here with a little lip on it, and I have like 10 minutes to get that done because she's coming to pick these up. And after making these 2 albums, I had this much paper left over still. So I can still probably make 1 or 2 more of this size albums. So yeah, I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing it. And also I had made and cut out, and she did glue this down, but I cut out with a die and a Griffin die as a card to match, a little easel card. So yeah, if you want to commission me to make you a baby album or a birthday album or a travels album or whatever, just let me know, and we'll discuss it and make it. So I hope you like my project share. Have a blessed day.